Welcome to Polonium Technologies. Today, we're going to explore the MQ135 Air Quality Sensor, a powerful and low-cost sensor used to detect harmful gases like ammonia, carbon dioxide, smoke, and more. What is MQ135 sensor? The MQ135 is a gas sensor designed to measure air quality. It can detect gases like ammonia, benzene, smoke, alcohol, and CO2 in the environment. This makes it perfect for air pollution monitoring, smart home systems, and industrial safety applications. How it works. Inside the MQ135 sensor, there is a material called tin dioxide. In clean air, it has high resistance. But when harmful gases are present, the resistance decreases, and the sensor detects pollution levels. This change is converted into an electrical signal that we can read. Plug configuration, important section. The MQ135 module comes with 4 pins. VCC, connect to 5 volts. GND, ground. Analog output, AO, gives continuous gas level, 0 to 5 volts. Digital output, DO, gives high or low based on threshold. You can adjust sensitivity using the onboard potentiometer. Important tip: preheating. Before using the sensor, you must preheat it for around 20 seconds. This ensures accurate readings. Interfacing with Arduino. Now let's connect it with Arduino. VCC to 5 volts, GND to GND, AO to A0, DO to pin 2. This setup allows you to read both analog and digital values. Working demo explanation. When gas concentration increases, the analog value rises. If it crosses a threshold, digital output goes high, and you can trigger an LED or alarm. PPM measurement, advanced concept. To measure gas concentration in ppm, we calculate the ratio of sensor resistance and compare it with a graph provided in the datasheet. This helps estimate how polluted the air actually is. Applications. The MQ135 sensor is widely used in air quality monitoring systems, smart homes, industrial gas detection, portable pollution detectors. Quick summary. To summarize, MQ135 detects multiple harmful gases, works on 5 volts, provides both analog and digital output, easy to use with Arduino, perfect for IoT and environmental projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Polonium Technologies. Comment below what project you want next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.